My name's Abby, I'm an illustrator and I'm studying BA Illustration at Arts University Plymouth. For my project for the summer show is a narrative based on two children from different faith backgrounds, and I like to see it as a way to teach children tolerance and respect through these girls just getting along and being friends. I think it's important that kids learn about other religions that are out there, so they're a bit more sort of wise to the world around them and tolerant of other people as well. And the best way to teach tolerance and acceptance is just to get used to it and it be ordinary life for you, and like be immersed in it. Through like reading them a story like that, they can learn that, oh, there might be someone at my school that looks like this, or wears that for this reason. They can ask questions, but it'll always come from a place of acceptance as opposed to fear or anything like that. You can find my work at the Arts University Plymouth Summer Show from the 23rd to 30th of June.